Social media has been an incredible benefit. It also has a few drawbacks. Let me talk about the drawbacks first. A lot of stories that are outright inaccurate end up on social media and end up being retracted. A lot of people have been killed on social media that are still very much alive. And that, of course, is a big drawback. You know, you have a lot of people who actually don't respect the rules of journalism. I believe fully in citizen journalism, but follow the rules. Get your attribution right. Make sure you double check your sources. Make sure you do your research and so forth, and learn how to write and the art of writing and present it in a way that's easy to read and digest for the public. And you have a lot of people that aren't following those rules, and we're all suffering because of it, because you know, you see something on your phone on Twitter and it turns out it's not true. I mean, we're seeing this almost daily. So as someone who's been in the business for a long time, that distresses me. However, there are many benefits. When we do have our information right, it's disseminated quickly on Facebook, on Twitter, and the many other social media platforms. I'm partial to Facebook. I find Twitter somewhat dangerous. A lot of people are getting fired because of tweets. And that's happening because you're writing as you're thinking. And as we know in journalism, that's a very dangerous thing to do, because as you think, sometimes what you think in the bedroom shouldn't be put out in public.
Right.
You have a right to say and think what you please, but you better be careful when you tweet it, because it may be inappropriate. And we're seeing a lot of people lose their jobs, end up being ostracized and so forth, because they thought something quickly, put it on Twitter, and it was completely inappropriate. So I keep my tweets for my book tour, really. Just Cheryl is going to be here, and that's it. I don't put everything I think. But Facebook is a little safer, because I can put pictures of events, like we just had a wonderful tribute for all of our journalists here in New York. And, you know, I'm about to post pictures on Facebook. So I find it safe for that, and for stories that have been well researched. And many stories I do here at New York One, I'll post them on Facebook. So I find social media a welcome addition to the mass media.